Hello, my name is Tula, and before you skip this ad, I just want to ask you if you're afraid for your future, because there's no doubt that the world is falling apart at the moment, and you might have lost your job or about to, or you might be in a very tough situation at the moment. And I just want you to know that I really feel for you, and I'm very, very passionate about living my purpose to empower women. And just to tell you a little bit about me, my name is Tula Tzoras, and I'm a mentor, coach. I'm also claircognizant, and I'm an empath. And I've always been passionate about empowering people, especially women, because at a very young age, I started experiencing panic attacks, anxiety. I was actually forced to go into personal and spiritual growth and training. And only 6 years ago, I was on a roller coaster I could not get off. But then something amazing happened, and I started my first company to empower women a couple of years ago, age 52. Now I am thriving, and you can too, Goddess. And the reason I call you Goddess is because Goddess is our given birthright. And guess what? 2020 may be the year that all these disastrous things are happening in the world, but it is also the destined year for the rise of female leaders. It is up to us to rise up and actually create some balance in the world for our cultural survival. So, if you've got an inspiration to start a business, I urge you to contact me, and guess what I've created? Out of all those tools that I've gathered over a lifetime, I put them together in this one online course so that you can thrive too. And right now, you can download a quick confidence boost free, Goddess. So go ahead and download it now. I can't wait to get to know you, and I want you to join our Goddess Club as well. Wishing you amazing success, and I'll see you soon.